Guys, we got the deal of the day at Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and start. So you got the deals of the day. This ends up tonight. So run and get these because this is a really good deal, as you guys did see on the picture. All right, free gift with purchase. This is a sliding compound miter saw. Right there. $3.99, guys. I believe it was $4.99. They dropped it to $3.99 just for today. So and it does come with the free stand. This is a 12-inch, 15-amp dual bevel sliding miter saw. I'm gonna click on it, and that is the miter saw right there. You guys know this is the industry standard right here. This is the legendary miter saw, DWS 779. 4.7 stars. And this deal ends today, so you guys do have to run and get this. This is the stand you're gonna get for free with this deal. You can pick up at the store if it's available, or if you can ship it, but preferably pick it up at the store. All right, let's see if we can go back. It'll let us. Oh my God, it's not gonna let us. All right. You got the Cobalt retractable hose reel. That's it right there. That is $89, down from $119. You got some fire first alert, 10-year battery operated. So there's those, and then you got this free gift with purchase. Buy spray foam dispensing gun. Get cleanser for free. $64.98. Then you got some filters for the house. Magnetic toolbox labels. These are nice to have. Colors. I'll list them down below. I'll leave all the links down below in the description section of the video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.